Sorry.
Yeah, they came on a pilgrimage.
Hey there, what are you up to?
I'm in Penang.
You're in Pinang?
Penang for a holiday, and so far so good. The hotel was fantastic. It's the back of the hotel is the beach. I went down to the beach this morning just for a walk, and then I went to church, the church of the Immaculate Conception, and Father Joseph Stephen was there. I bought this book written by him, Reverend Father Joseph Stephen, CSSR. So I'll go back and read what this book is all about.
So you can read it by the beach, right, as well?
Yes, maybe you go down there and read my book.
What else did you do after church?
After church, we went to Bangkok Lane. I ordered roti bakar and a hot Milo, which costs RM5.
So the roti bakar and the egg is 5 ringgit,
Yes.
not inclusive of drink.
Not inclusive of drink. Okay.
No, it's not. The drink, how much is the drink? 2 ringgit.
250. The drink was 250.
2 ringgit.
No, 250.
250. Okay.
250 plus 5 ringgit, 750 my total breakfast. Which
Was it
is
worth it?
okay compared to the
So you took roti
KL
bakar with
prices.
kaya, right?
No.
Yes, yours was roti bakar kaya.
Is it kaya?
Yeah,
Oh,
that's right.
okay.
Did it taste like kaya? Or did you
Just
not
a
feel the
s-
kaya
I
taste?
didn't feel that kaya. Okay, like it's just a smear. So it's not too overwhelming.
That's nice.
Okay.
Alright, I'll let you
But the
get back
Milo
to
was
reading.
too sweet, that's all. They could have improved on that. We don't drink sweet things these days.